This is the probe that all of our reps use. It's made by Colorado Probes. We use the same, every one of us uses the same one. It's got the canister here. You can probe in about 20 samples out of a stack, and the canister fills up, gets a really good, very, very accurate example, or accurate sample of what we're doing, and then you just plunge the end in here like this and it pushes the hay down into the canister. Now as you can see, in the bale about, what is that, 2 feet?
18 inches.
18 inches, and we'll go in from different sides of the stack, sometimes in from the side, sometimes in from the end, just to get you a really good example of what is in there. Then you just push the hay down in with this thing, and it fills up the canister. We all use a high-powered 18-volt drill, so it drills in there good and gets it in all the way, and just takes a little more accurate sample that way. This just pops off, and then you can dump the sample into the bag there. Now you can see we've got a good idea of what's in the actual center of the bale instead of just the outside edge. So you get an accurate sample of the entire bale, and we'll take about 10% of the stack we try to get a sample out of, just to get a really good idea. Send that sample to the lab and we get a test result within about 3 days.
We have a hay grading calculator that we use, and we can take our what the hay is and put it in our computer, and it kind of comes up with a base price of what our hay is worth by how our reps grade it.
The grading system mainly works off of the actual relative feed value, TDN, and protein points. But along with that, our reps grade like Tim said, they grade it according to the look of it, likability, palatability, fine-stemmed, coarse-stemmed, whether it was shedded, whether it was tarped, whether it wasn't. There's a lot of factors that come in there that affect those grading, the bottom or the end grading system, mainly off of relative feed, TDN, and protein, but again, this all factors in there. Horse hay, cow hay, a lot of different things like that.